you ready to train like a ninja? I'm Oxygen cover model and American Ninja Warrior Julie Laurie. I've put together a heart-pumping, kick-butt workout that will test your strength and agility so that you can overcome any obstacle. With this workout, you'll be going hard for 30 seconds with each exercise, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Repeat the whole circuit 3 times, and you're ready to go. All right, let's jump in.